First, let's check the Wi-Fi connection. As you can see, the Wi-Fi is working properly. Next, we'll connect to the wireless CarPlay. Once successfully connected via Bluetooth, the wireless CarPlay will automatically disable the radio's Wi-Fi and enable the radio hotspot to establish the connection. As a result, we won't be able to use the Wi-Fi on the head unit. However, if your head unit has a SIM card with 4G cellular data, you can still enjoy network connectivity. Even while using wireless CarPlay, you can still watch YouTube videos and access online content. If you haven't added a SIM card, you only utilize your iPhone's cellular data for internet connectivity on the Z-Link app.